I guys received this car multimedia player for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because you can connect it almost on any car that it exists. It's connected a Siri ladder port, and it has Carplay from Apple, Android Auto. You can play media or cast from your device. Okay. When we first open the box, you see the main unit. Okay, as you can see, it has this base so you can place it. Okay. Everything comes very well packaged with lots of foam. This is the instruction manual. And in here we've got all the bases to mount it. As you can see, this can go into your glass of your car, like this. All the cables you need to use it. The Siri ladder port, as you can see in here. It goes with the USB Type-C exit, and you just place it in here like this. Okay. Lastly, a base that you attach upon your dashboard. Okay. This base comes with prepared holes, so you can place it upon your dashboard with some screws or with this gel that works as a glue. Okay, so you can glue it upon your dashboard and don't have to make any hole. In the instruction manual, we can see how to connect every product description, how to use the interface, CarPlay and Android Auto. Use it to cast in here. It has a FM transmitter, so I think it's really nice if you want to listen to the radio. And it has many different configurations that you can make. So I think it's really nice. Let's go ahead and place it. I'll be using it in my car, so let's go. Okay, yes, as you can see, it's already placed. You can use it with CarPlay. It tells you how to connect it and the name of the device. If it's unpaired, if it's the Bluetooth on, you can use Android Auto, connected directly to AirPlay, Mirrorcast. You can see different connections, and just using the Bluetooth music. Okay, you can also listen to the radio. Casting, you can select the brightness, as you can see. You can turn it off, on. The media player, you can see, and different configuration like the auxiliary button, the eye care mode, driving position, the language. You can connect to make some sounds, a screensaver. So I think it's really nice, really practical. It gives you all the tools that you need to be using it with CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Mirrorcast. You can place your music. So I think it's really nice, and I will recommend it. See you guys.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.